Hey guys, welcome back to Everything Automotive. So today I'm going to give you a quick run through of how to access the battery, which is underneath the seat of a GSXR1000. It's a 2016 model. So it's actually fairly straightforward. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to remove that nut there first. There's a couple of Velcro pads about here. There is a kind of like a holding pin around here, and then two clips there. So I'm going to try and do this one-handed, so I apologise if it's... So basically, first thing to do, remove this. There we go. The next thing you want to do is get your finger in the gap there and just very gently. There we go. And so basically, all you're doing is you're just literally pop it off like that, nothing more than that. And then there's a bolt around here, not a bolt, sorry, a holding pin around here somewhere. So underneath here, you'll see little retaining bolts, so just pop them out. There's another one further down here, so just pop them off like that. And then all you simply do is give a little bit of a pull, and the whole thing comes off like that. So then, this is the nut you want to get, the bolt you want to get to for taking the seat off. So just, if you've never done it before, it'll probably be quite tough. Now I've already done the other side. So once you take this out, like that, then all you're doing is it should just lift off, and voila, there's your battery right there. Okay, see you guys.